technology. Kaya mas mabango. Kaya mas maraming malalabhan kaysa powder. Bagong Wings Power Liquid. Makabagong pagkusot, mas maraming nalalabhan.
I have lagnat. I have body pain. Pag-do! Pwedeng flu!
This is the Emergency Alert System, activated by the NDRR-MC Central Visayas and the Provincial Government of Cebu. We are interrupting normal programming to bring you the latest information about the earthquake that has just happened here within the Cebu area. Initiate duck, cover, and hold. Stay calm. Do not panic during the earthquake. Panicking increases the chances of injury and accidents. If you're outside in your car, right now, stop into a nearby open area away from poles and structures. If you're in a building, prepare to evacuate immediately. If you're in a situation where you are near the ocean, go to a higher ground as a precaution. Tune in to local radio and TV stations for further information. Programming may be interrupted by your local stations to bring you the latest news after this message. Thank you for listening to this broadcast. Stay safe, everyone, and stay strong.